We did an in-house user trial with Infinite, and we did a panel of over 50 employees from ages 27 up to, I believe it was 65 or 70. And we had users try the Infinite by Forever products for 30 days. And we did it under the direction of a certified clinician. And during this trial, people were asked to use the products for 30 days religiously as recommended, and we saw some tremendous results and benefits. I want to be very, very clear that when you're talking about this is not a clinical or a third-party trial. This is what we call an in-house user trial that was done under the supervision of a clinician. That allows us to be able to say some really powerful things about the products, but do it in a compliant way that keeps us safe and keeps you safe. So here is one of the participants of that in-house user trial, and you can see her before on the left, and I want you to notice really the eye area and the chin area, and I'm going to switch to the pictures and kind of circle those areas. After 30 days, this individual, look at the difference in her eye area and in that cheek and jaw area. You know, people who use this product, 90% of them saw improvement in their skin tone and texture. For those who had concern with brightness, 100% saw improvement in the brightness of their skin. And we're going to be releasing some of these pictures to the marketing teams around the world, posting them on social media, and also providing the results of this in-house user trial that were substantiated by the clinician that are accurate and compliant and results that we can say. So look soon. We're hoping to release those in the next 7 business days or so, but we will be releasing those so that you can feel comfortable sharing the benefits of this trial and see those amazing results. All right, let's talk about how Infinite by Forever fits into the overall skincare line here at Forever. I'm going to tell you the Sonia skincare kit is going away. Don't panic, don't panic. I'm going to walk you through what this looks like, but we are discontinuing the Sonia skincare kit, and the Infinite by Forever kit is going to be replacing it. Now, what does that mean to you? Well, first of all, the nourishing serum is not going anywhere. It is staying completely in place. And Sonia Aloe Deep Moisturizing Cream, which is not part of the Sonia skincare kit, but part of the Sonia name, will also be staying. So the 2 most loved and popular products with the Sonia name will be staying, but the rest of the products are going to be discontinued. However, when I say discontinued, we have some replacements in play. And I'm going to tell you about that in a very limited way. We're going to plan a webinar talking about the key ingredients and the benefits of these new products closer to the time that they're scheduled to launch in the market, which will be summer. But I'm going to talk to you about why we chose this direction. So we wanted a targeted approach. When we came into the skincare line and laid it all out on a table, it was really confusing. Do I recommend marine mask or do I recommend mask powder and activator? Which toner do I recommend? Which skincare system do I recommend? What does alpha E factor do and how does it fit in? Which brand do I recommend it with? Well, we wanted to streamline that and target it and make it easy for the customers to navigate in the event that they by chance happen upon a catalog or happen upon a new FBO who's so excited and wants to introduce them but really knows nothing about skincare. We want it to be easy to navigate. So we're going to start looking at skin types and skin concerns. Infinite by Forever will be for that drier skin, that maturing skin, those who really want to address the signs of aging. And your Aloe Fleur de Jouvence will be going through a slight transition to become a combination skincare set. So it'll be sometimes dry, sometimes oily, sometimes neither, and sometimes both. Now, somebody who has very oily skin is very, very different from somebody who has dry skin, and they would select a very different skincare regimen. But both of those individuals may have a need for dark circles and under eye puffiness, or fine lines and wrinkles, or they may like a mask, or they want a balancing toner. I get the question, why is there not a toner in the Infinite by Forever set? And that is simply because the serum is exactly that. It is going to help to firm and tone it and make that taut skin appear more visibly firm and taut. So we wanted to take out some of those products that people might not repurchase a kit for because they want to make an individual choice. And we put it into a targeted skincare section. So you're going to see some of those Sonia products in the Sonia kit be replaced by updated versions that again are targeted to specific individual needs and concerns. So the refreshing toner is going to turn into a balancing toner designed to help bring the skin into balance. The deep cleansing exfoliator is transitioning into a gorgeous smoothing exfoliator. It's got 3 natural exfoliators. It's a little bit more granularly, and it gets in there and just does an amazing job of helping the skin remove some of those extra dead skin cells and some of that surface debris. We're going to have a new eye cream. So the alluring eyes will be going away, and we're going to be launching a revolutionary anti-aging, powerful, awakening eye cream. And we're also going to be launching a brand new product, and that is Protecting Day Lotion with a broad spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen. Again, people are very picky about what types of products or what types of systems they will use, and not everybody likes SPF in their day lotion. They may choose to wear it in their foundation or their powder, or they may choose not to wear it at all. This is a day lotion that has a mineral-based sunscreen, so it's zinc and titanium dioxide, all natural minerals, for that natural protection from the sun, but we wanted to give people a choice of where they get their sun protection. And this is designed, all of these products are designed to complement the many wonderful new ingredients found in the Infinite by Forever skincare line. So you can feel comfortable that while your Sonia skincare is going away, you're going to see these products replaced in a different look and feel with a targeted concern and an easy to understand approach that allows customers to design skincare exactly the way they want it. So they can buy the Infinite kit and use the balancing toner and the smoothing exfoliator, or they could buy the Fleur de Jouvence kit and they could add a protecting day lotion and an eye cream. The choice is theirs, and that is something you're going to see begin to transition through the summer of this summer, 2017. Ultimately, these are all the products that will be transitioning into that targeted skincare line and assume the new look and feel of that targeted skincare line. Your nourishing serum, the aloe activator, mask powder, deep moisturizing cream, your balancing toner, smoothing exfoliator, awakening eye cream, Epiblanc, your new day lotion, alpha E factor, and R3 factor will be found in this targeted section, again allowing somebody the ultimate flexibility in selecting a skincare designed for their individual needs. All of these products are formulated to complement one another, and so they will have no problem selecting from the Infinite or the Fleur and then adding their targeted items as they see fit. All right, as Bill mentioned, we have a little surprise. If you've been watching social media at all, you will see that Greg was over in Japan and we launched a brand new product. Well, not a brand new product, but we launched an evolution of a product that Greg and the team were very excited about. And it is the Forever Aloe Gel in a new Tetra Pak. So the new aloe vera gel packaging is going to be transitioning into Tetra Pak. And this is concept art. Please remember, concept art, not final. These are not, this may not be how it looks when you actually receive it, but these are some concept arts of what the new products will look like. And these are coming in 2018. Japan has already launched their version of the Forever Aloe Vera Gel. They call it Juice, but it is our aloe vera gel. This Tetra Pak is made from 100% recyclable materials. So forever, we're committed to our stance in supporting the environment, and we feel that by taking this product in this direction, we're opening up the possibility for so many people to see Forever's commitment not only to the benefits of aloe vera gel, but also into the benefits of the 100% recyclable materials. So you'll see it's a new innovative look and feel, and this paves the way for a preservative-free gel formula in the future. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So get excited, coming in 2018. And thank you so much for your time today. I sincerely hope that you have so much fun with Infinite by Forever that it allows you to approach people you may not have approached in the past. Men and women will love this new product line. I'm proud of it. You should be proud of it. And I hope that you really experience the success it was intended to deliver. So have a lovely day, and we'll talk to you again soon. Back to you, Bill.
Okay, thank you, Holly. If you will keep your screen up for us, please. Thank you so much, Holly, for taking the time to be with us and sharing your vast knowledge and, even more important, your enthusiasm for these fantastic products. I must say that my wife and I have been using Infinite products for a couple of months now, and we find it very, very effective. So my wife especially thanks you, Holly, for all that you've done to develop these great products.
You're welcome, Bill.
Okay. Well, it's time to close for today. This webinar, as always, has been recorded and will be available also to review next Monday on our Vimeo.com site. You'll be sent a link also via email for that. Now, don't miss our next webinar in 2 weeks, when we will provide a brand new training on the marketing program with brand new art and a brand new way of explaining the basic marketing plan. So you don't want to miss that. In the meantime, as always, we wish for you all the success you desire as you continue to work to build your forever business. And we'll say bye for now.